Welcome back, children. So till now we have discussed about the structure of nucleotide. Now let us see how the polynucleotide chain form. Right? So polynucleotide formation we will discuss. Children, the question is, how do nucleotides join together? जब polynucleotide formation हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, so the very first question is how nucleotides join together to form the polynucleotide chain. Right? So we saw that three different components which form one nucleotide. यही तो हमने पढ़ा कि एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड को बनाने में तीन इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट यूज होते हैं. अब नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, अब क्वेश्चन ये है हाउ दिस कंपोनेंट कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर. ये तीनों कंपोनेंट आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड कैसे होते हैं. नाउ द नाइट्रोजनस बेसेस आर लिंक्ड. Right, so the nitrogenous bases are linked, which we spoke about purine and pyrimidine, right, to the pentose sugar through N-glycosidic bond to form a nucleoside, right? Okay, so two important terms here. So basically this sugar, it is what? It is pentose sugar. Any sugar is going to be a carbohydrate. So this carbohydrate will join to this base through the glycosidic bond. जो शुगर और बेस के बीच में जो बॉन्ड होता है वो बॉन्ड क्या कहलाता है? वो कहलाता है N ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड. शुगर को बेस के साथ जोड़ता कौन सा बॉन्ड है? ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड. Now I am not going to talk about each of these bond in detail because we have already spoken about in this lesson of biomolecule in class 11. So if you want to see the details, just refer to that chapter. Okay, so something like that. Let us see that this is the base and this is the sugar, and by the N-glycosidic bond the sugar is connected with the base. Right, the pyrimidine base get connected to the sugar by the mean of N-glycosidic bond. Okay, now how is that bond formation? अब ये जो bond formation होती है कैसे होती है, ये भी हमने तब क्लास 11th में पढ़ा था. The bond is formed by hydrolysis. जो bond होता है वो कैसे बनता है? वो बनता है हाइड्रोलिसिस की प्रोसेस से. That is by removal of water molecule, which is often known as condensation. Right? So let us see how it is done. Like children, let us suppose this is the sugar. Here we have H and OH, right? And this is the structure of base N and H. Now what will happen? Hydrolysis की process होती है. इसमें से water molecule remove हो जाता है, H2O remove हो जाता है. Right? It is what? Hydrolysis is what? Hydrolysis is what? It is minus H2O. तो अब हमारे पास ये जो कंबाइन स्ट्रक्चर आता है वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के निकलने के बाद, ये क्या कहलाता है? ये कहलाता है न्यूक्लियोसाइड. तो शुगर और बेस दोनों मिलके क्या बनाते हैं? न्यूक्लियोसाइड. So this water molecule is removed and a bond is formed between the nitrogen and the hydrogen. Right? So this is how the glycosidic bond formation takes place. Right? And now the structure which is formed, और जो ये structure बनता है that is sugar plus base. अब जो ये structure बनता है, ये structure क्या कहलाता है? न्यूक्लियोसाइड. It is known as nucleoside. Got it? And what are we talking about? We are talking about nucleotide. हम बात कर रहे हैं न्यूक्लियोटाइड की. So when sugar and base combine, it form nucleoside, right? और जब इस न्यूक्लियोसाइड में जो तीसरा इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट फॉस्फेट ग्रुप, जब वो फॉस्फेट ग्रुप ऐड होता है तो क्या बनता है? न्यूक्लियोटाइड. समझ में आया? मैंने अभी क्या बात करी? मैंने बात करी कि शुगर और बेस मिलके क्या बनाते हैं? न्यूक्लियोसाइड. आया समझ में? शुगर और बेस मिलके बनाते हैं न्यूक्लियोसाइड. और जब न्यूक्लियोसाइड और फॉस्फेट ग्रुप मिल जाते हैं तो क्या बनता है? न्यूक्लियोटाइड. समझ में आया? नाउ फॉस्फेट ग्रुप इज लिंक्ड to the 5' OH end of nucleoside through the phosphodiester bond to form the nucleotide. राइट। अब फॉस्फेट ग्रुप जो होता है वो कहाँ लिंक होता है? फॉस्फेट ग्रुप होता है 5 प्राइम OH ग्रुप ऑफ न्यूक्लियोसाइड और फॉस्फोएस्टर बॉन्ड बनता है जिससे बनते हैं न्यूक्लियोटाइड। नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज दिस 5 प्राइम एंड? ये जो 5 प्राइम एंड की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, ये 5 प्राइम एंड कहाँ होता है? Now children, as per the nomenclature of chemistry, the carbon atom is numbered, right? So here if you see, the carbon atom is numbered in this way, like this is the structure of sugar. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5, right? So where we talk about the OH group, तो पहला OH ग्रुप इज अटैच टू फर्स्ट कार्बन, राइट। तो पहला OH ग्रुप जो है वो यहाँ पहले कार्बन पे अटैच होता है, ठीक है। तो ये 1 प्राइम, ये 3 प्राइम, ये 5 प्राइम, राइट। एंड देयर, और दूसरा वेयर इज अनदर OH ग्रुप, तो अनदर OH ग्रुप इज लोकेटेड समवेयर हियर, राइट। तो 5 प्राइम OH क्या हुआ? 5 प्राइम OH इज दिस लोकेशन. So this is 5 prime OH group. With this OH, another bond is formed between the phosphate group, right? So here this phosphate group, a bond formation takes place. This bond formation takes place is by the hydrolysis. Again, loss of water. Then it is known as phosphoester bond. और जब phosphate के इस तरफ की लोकेशन, एक फॉस्फोएस्टर बॉन्ड ये, एक फॉस्फोएस्टर बॉन्ड ये, तो दो न्यूक्लियोटाइड के बीच में बनने वाला जो बॉन्ड होता है वो क्या कहलाता है? फॉस्फोडाइएस्टर बॉन्ड, राइट। सो इन दैट वे द न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स आर कनेक्टेड, ओके। सो इन दैट वे अ पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड chain is formed. They have multiple nucleotide which are linked with each other, and again a bond is required to join a multiple nucleotide, right? So in that way one nucleotide is joined with the another nucleotide by the means of phosphodiester bond, because it required 2 phosphoester bonds, right? So between the 2 nucleotide there is 2 phosphoester bond. That is why the link between the 2 nucleotide is known as phosphodiester bond. So like this a complete polynucleotide chain is formed, whether it is DNA and RNA. So picture 1 shows DNA and picture 2 shows RNA, in which there is a hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous base, and between pentose sugar and nitrogen base there is a N-glycosidic bond, and nucleoside and phosphate there is phosphoester bond, and between 2 nucleotides there is phosphodiester bond. So in that way a polynucleotide chain is formed, right? So it is also explained by this picture, by these slides, like this is one nitrogenous base, then it is another nitrogenous base, then again. In that way the nitrogenous bases are connected with each other. Now children, these nitrogenous bases with the pentose sugar, they together joined with the phosphate group, and this backbone, this orange backbone is the phosphate group, right? And this is the another strand of the DNA, and finally the polynucleotide chain, that is DNA, is being formed. So in the very similar pattern the RNA is also formed, right? So 3 important component which we have discussed of the nucleotide is the pentose sugar, nitrogenous base and the phosphate group. With the help of such components, with the help of these 3 important components, a polynucleotide chain is formed, right? I hope you got all the points very clearly. So in the next video we will discuss about the further chapter, and we will discuss about the comparison between RNA and DNA. So till then, have a nice day and thank you.